In this video, you are going to understand what are the top 12 qualities a smart person should have. I want you to become smarter. Then, what qualities you should have? Number one is having the vision. I want you to have a clear vision of the future you want to create. What is your ultimate vision? If you ask me, my vision is to help people with knowledge and technology. What is your ultimate goal? That is vision. Second quality is never ever complain. Never complain about anything. Never complain about anything you can't change. If you can't change it, then do accept it. Then you can go ahead faster. Third quality is learn something new every day. Today, what you are going to learn every day, you should become or you should reach closer to your goal tomorrow. Fourth quality is physical exercise. Yes, okay, health is wealth. Break sweet every day. Emotion is created by motion. The more and more motion you are going to generate, the more and more you are going to be healthy and fit and fine. The fifth quality you should have is thinking. Unlock your great ideas, creativity, personality, and decision making skills. Maintain a diary wherein you are going to put all your thoughts, all your ideas on paper and execute as the time comes in. Sixth quality you should have is give to get, G to G. That is, give away that which you want to get more of. For example, if you want more knowledge, then start giving more and more knowledge. If you want more money, then start investing in the activities, in the process wherein you are going to generate more and more money. Whatever you are going to give more, you are going to get back more. The seventh quality is becoming smarter. I want you to focus and work smarter, not harder. Those days are gone wherein earlier days people were used to work a lot. I want you to be effective, efficient, and productive. Don't just be busy. The eighth quality is don't be cheap on your journey of greatest. I want you to be the greatest. So during this process, yes, sometimes you have to make good investment, sometimes you have to make every month investment, then do it because that is going to give you the results and help you to become smart person. Ninth quality is simplify everything. Take responsibility for everything. Say whether you are successful or failure. Because of whom? That's because of me, because of you. Okay, so be in control and make things happen. 10th quality. Strive to achieve excellence in everything you do. Don't settle for good enough. Stay hungry. Okay, so always think what is the best ultimate result you can have. Number 11 is lead by example. Never ask or expect anyone to do anything you are not willing to do yourself. Yes, if you are doing it, then you have the right to say help others. 12th quality of smart person is I am destined for greatness. Success is my responsibility. I can achieve anything I put my mind into. So, always have smart mindset principle. Think what can be done. So, these are the top 12 qualities of becoming smart person. I wish you great smart person and achieve your goals faster.